What's up, you guys? It's your girl Hypnoticlaadyy. I know I have been gone for a while, but I am back. Today, as you can tell by the title, I will show you how to slay your synthetic wig. And of course, I will be using the one and only TrendyWigs. First things that you're gonna need is you're gonna need a pair of scissors or shears, tweezers, got to be glued. It can be yellow or the black one, doesn't matter. A hot comb or a wand, something that you can press down the hair with, a stocking cap, and a blow dryer. The wig I will be using today is by TrendyWigs. So the wig I will be using today by TrendyWigs is called Lala Style ST0014. She is a rose gold color, like my dress. So she's rose gold, the card with the style on the back, and then on the inside it has the care instructions. So, and then you have a complimentary wig brush, 2 stocking caps, 1 nude and 1 black, the hairnet that the wig comes in, 8 bobby pins. So, you know, cute packaging, regular, what TrendyWigs has you good to go. Everything that you could possibly need, they have it. So, take the paper out or the net off if you haven't. And adjust your adjustable straps, because it comes with adjustable straps and, how many combs? 3 combs. And this is a 13 by, I'd say 3 lace. Alright, so once you get it on, you're going to pull your lace forward to match where your stocking cap ends. Pull this up a little bit. So then pull her forward all the way past the cap. There you go. So, once you get the wig on, you get a feel of everything and how she looks. This is her straight out of the box. She's super gorgeous. I can say she's about 20 inches. This is what it looks like with no plucking, no nothing done yet. This is the hairline. It's alright. If you want to wear it like this, you can. It's not bad. But of course, I will not be wearing it like this. Oh, you also need a comb. I'm sorry. You're going to need a comb. Any type of comb. I'm just using this one. So, get your comb and see where you want to do your part. I'm thinking about doing a side part because I like the way the hair flows right here. So I'm probably going to do a side part. So go ahead and part your hair how you want it. Alright. Once you get your ideal part, you see where you want everything, I do a side part. So get your wand curler or some type of heat material to lay down the frontal. Plug that up, let that heat up for a second.
He's so pretty. Okay, I know I'm just playing.
Once this is hot, take your wand and just gently press down, because mine, this is synthetic, so you can mold the hair the way you want it to lay. See, look, this is without it tweezed and everything. This is what it's already looking like. So, as you can see, you don't have to do that much work. Next thing you want to do, grab your tweezers and start plucking and my mirror's over here, so if I'm looking this way, that's why. And start plucking the hairline to fit it how you want it. to on your head. And brush the excess out. Okay, so once we got everything laying how you want it to lay, see, like, it's already popping right now. Really, you could just cut the lace off right here. But as you can see, you got everything laid. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is, I keep forgetting stuff that you need. You also need either a powder foundation or concealer. I prefer powder because concealer is a little messy. And then you're just gonna define your part as much as you can. I'm just using this flat top first right here. Open it, get you a little bit, and go in on that part. And blend it out. Take the wig off. Hold it with the hair facing you. Take your scissors. And start cutting along the hairline. The lace to the side and throw it away because you're not going to need it. If you did cut any of the baby hairs, just finger comb it and it'll come out. Put your wig back on. Flip it back over. Pull your wig back. Take your Got2b glue. Just a thin layer. Move it along your hairline. And again, like I said, you can use black, the black bottle or the yellow, it doesn't matter. Have a rag to get this off your hand. Then take your hair dryer. On low. And use the cold button if you have one, the cold option, because the hot one doesn't work for some reason. So take your cold. Check to see if it's tacky, and it is. Once it's tacky, pull your wig up where it's supposed to lay. Pull everything forward. Take your blow dryer as you're holding your tape down, and hold on. There you go. And blow dry. And now it's down. Take your brush, hold it down, hold your roots down, and brush that out, brush it back up. you know, what lace. So then, after you get that side, go to the other side. So now, oh, you see, you have the hairline secured. So now we are almost done. If you want to wear like this, then you're done. But for people that like the baby hair, that's what's next. But as you can see, you could wear it like this. This is pretty cute by itself, like with no baby hairs. So the first pieces I'm going to do, take out thin pieces of baby hair. Take a toothbrush or a comb. Now don't use the toothbrush that you use to brush your teeth. Use it for your hair. Wet it. But you can use any gel or hairspray of your choice, or edge control. I like to use Gorilla Snot though. So I take a little bit, literally like this much. And repeat the steps. And then this side is done. So that's how it's done. And boom, we're done. You have a full sledge of a synthetic wig. Again, this is Lala. She is a rose gold color and a wavy texture, and I'd say about 20 or 18 inches. Very cute, as you can tell. I haven't gotten any shedding from me just doing it myself, but I have cut the hair and plucked the hairline. So this is all the hair out of this whole process. This is all of the hair that has came out, other than like what I cut. I'm running my fingers through it. You're fine. Running my brush through it. And it's easy to work with. Like I said, we did this quickly. And now you're done. So like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me if you guys want to see more of these. I will be sure to look at it and take in you guys' suggestions. But again, this is Hypnoticlaadyy, working with TrendyWigs. This is Lala, TrendyWigs. And this is how you slay your synthetic wig. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Mwah.